Welcome to the watch list. I'm Lindsay Melchek. Chesapeake Gold has made some very strategic initiatives as well as advancements in their metallurgical processes. Here to break that open is Jean-Paul Tsotsos, CEO of Chesapeake Gold. How are you? Welcome to the show.
Yeah, thanks for having me, Lindsay. I'm happy to be here to share some updates.
Absolutely. Now we have two topics that we want to cover today. The first one around being your strategic initiatives. So my question is really how has Chesapeake Gold recent strategic initiatives such as the acquisition of proprietary sulfide leaching technology contribute to its stock upward trajectory in the investor confidence world?
Yeah, so Chesapeake is really at an inflection point. We've been working on this technology for the past almost 5 years. Last year, we went out and announced that we had acquired the underlying license for the technology from the predecessor, Hycroft Mining. And just to give you kind of a little bit of background, Hycroft had been advancing the technology since 2014. So this technology has actually been in development for the last 10 years. Nearly $100 million has actually been spent on the technology. And the whole team that originally started that move back at Hycroft is actually part of the Chesapeake team. So we really have all the expertise in-house. We now own the technology full out. We own the licenses, the patents. And so at this stage, we are looking at rolling the technology out as well as advancing the technology with metates, which is what we've been doing the last 4 years.
Yeah, well, there's some great news right off the bat there. My second area that I would like to learn more about is really about your processes. I mean, in what ways might Chesapeake Gold, your advancement in that metallurgical process, how is that going to strategically position influence in long-term growth prospects in a very
Yeah.
competitive precious metal sector, actually?
Yeah, so interestingly, most refractory deposits, they typically get less than 40% gold recovery on them. And so these deposits end up being trapped, and the only process to get them to move forward is typically a conventional process like a roaster or POX autoclave, and these have big capital prices on them. Our technology works in a heap leach environment. So if you can look at metates before, when we looked at POX autoclave, $3.5 billion project, under the technology, $360 million capital to build that. So that's a tenth of the actual cost. Just gives you an idea, doubling of the recovery is an amazing opportunity for all of these companies. And there's a lot of people lining up to bring their material into the lab to get the work done. So we're very excited to show the next steps, show our partnerships that we're trying to build in the background, and hopefully, roll this out for the larger market and likely transform the precious metal industry.
Phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. And this conversation has definitely been loaded with some very useful information. So thank you again for being here and sharing with us.
Yeah, thank you so much, Lindsay.
Again, that was Jean-Paul Tsotsos, CEO of Chesapeake Gold. Their website is chesapeakegold.com. I'm Lindsay Melchek with Stockhouse Publishing. Thank you for watching.